the diffuser has a unique throw pattern, and it is essential that it is located correctly in the central hallway. To install the diffuser, we need to cut out a section of the ceiling. Find a central location on the landing ceiling to install the diffuser. If possible, make sure that this is at least 1 meter away from a smoke alarm or carbon monoxide detector. Now that we've taken our measurements of the ceiling in the hall, transfer these measurements to the loft above. This should fall somewhere between two joists. Mark the center point between these two joists. We now have the correct location to drill a hole through the ceiling to give a center point below. Using the supplied diffuser template, carefully line up the template with the center point and mark out the section to be cut. Once this is done, cut out the section ready for the diffuser. Fit the diffuser into the aperture and secure using the screws and plasterboard plugs supplied. Once the diffuser is secured, slide the duct in over the heater and over the screws. Attach the supplied cable tie to below the screws to seal the duct to the heater. Connect the data cable to the diffuser interface panel and then connect the heater to the diffuser. Next, attach the duct into the fan and secure using the cable tie. Fix a screw to a convenient joist near the diffuser. If possible, suspend the unit approximately 2/3 of the loft height to capitalise on solar gain, making sure the duct is not overstretched. Once this is done, ensure that the filters are fitted securely. When the unit is in position, connect the data cable from the heater to the unit. And then connect the heater mains cable back to the unit. As with any data and mains cables, ensure that there is a minimum of 50mm separation between the heat, power and the data cable. Finally, before connecting the Drimaster-Eco to the fuse connection unit, check that the supply voltage is correct. Isolate at the mains before connecting the Drimaster to the fuse connection unit. Once this has been connected, reinstate the power supply. When the install is complete, we recommend securing the cables either side of the duct using the cable ties supplied to create a neat finish.